morning, children. In this chapter, Fun with Numbers. In my last video, I showed you the 1 rupee coin, 10 rupee notes, and 100 rupee notes. And we started learning numbers which were bigger than 100. In this video, we are going to take all this further. Now, see, if you have all this money and you have to go and buy many things from the market. I'm sure your parents go and buy so many things from the market. When you buy things from the market, you have to give some money, you have to take back some money, you have to count your money. If you don't know the numbers, how will you do this? And always it is not possible that the money will be less. It can be more than 900, 800 and so on. So it is very important for us to learn numbers. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to write numbers from 101 till 999. But don't worry, I am not going to write all the numbers. I know you will get bored. I am going to teach you the trick, how to go to the next number. And this I am going to do with the help of a colored pen. It's a multicolored pen. You are going to enjoy it. Watch this video carefully and after that practice writing the numbers. Otherwise, you will not learn them nicely. And it is so important. You have already understood that when we have to go to the market, buy things with money, so we need to know numbers now. So come, we are going to learn how to write numbers from 101 to 999. But promise me that you are going to practice after seeing this video. Okay, come, let's do.
First of all, we learned one-digit numbers, which were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all one-digit numbers and their place is ones. In class 2, we learned two-digit numbers, and in two-digit numbers we have two places, ones place and tens place. So the smallest two-digit number is 10. We have learnt about it. After that, we have learnt 20, 30, 40 and so on. Similarly, we have learnt 56, 79, 84, 37, and the largest two-digit number which we have learnt is 99. You can see that in the largest three-digit number, at ones place we have the biggest digit, which is 9, as well as in the tens place we have the biggest digit, which is 9. And after 99 we have three-digit number which we call as 100. In three-digit number, this is the ones place, this is the tens place, and this is the hundreds place. Now, the next after 100 is 101. Then next one is 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. See children, as the numbers are increasing, only the ones place digits are increasing. The tens place as well as the hundreds place digit remain the same. Now we have to write 110. So let us see how we will write 110. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So if we have to write 10, see how we write 10. We write 10 like this. Please see. At ones place we have 0 and at tens place we have 1. So same way we will write 10 like this, but we have to write 110. So at hundreds place 1 should come. Why? Because the next number is 110. So this is 110. After this, the next digit will be 111, 112. Now we have to write 113. So how do we write 13? We write 13 like this. 3 comes at ones place and 1 comes at tens place. So now we have to write 113. So 1 will come at hundreds place. After that, we will write 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. See children, we are writing and one number after the other. So in this column also you can see that the digits are increasing only at the ones place. At tens place and hundreds place, the digit remains the same. Both the digits remain the same. Now we have to write the next number. Since after 19, we have already learned in class 2, after 19, which is the next number? 20. So after 119, the next number should be 120. Okay. So let us see. We will write ones, tens and hundreds. These are the places we have written. This is the ones place. This is the tens place and this is the hundreds place. Now we have to write 120. So let us first write just 20. Okay, so this is 20. 0 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place. Now we have to write 120. So we will write 1 at hundreds place. So this number will be read as 120. Okay, let's now write the next number. The next number would be 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. See children, again in this column also, as we are writing the counting, only the ones place is changing. The tens as well as the hundreds place, they remain the same. Now after 29, the next number. After 29, we have learned that the next number is 30. So after 129, the next number would be 130. So this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. Let us move further. Now, the way we have got 130, we will keep moving further. We will get 131, 132, 133, and so on. And after 139, the next number would be 140. After 140, we will go 141, 142, and so on till 149. After 149, the next number would be 150. Similarly, we will go further till 159. After 159, the next number would be 160. After 160, we will go 161, 162 till 169. And after 169, the next number would be 170. We will move further 171, 172, 173, so on till 179. After 179, the next number would be 180. Again, we will write 181, 182, 183, and so on till 189. The next number would be, after 89, what is the next number? 89, 90. So after 189, the next number would be 190. Now 191, 192, 193, and so on till 199. Now you want to find out the next number. Now children, remember, what is the next number after only 99? We have studied it in class 2. After 99, the next number is 100. But here we have 199. See children, when we had 99, only the next number was 100. Right? Now we have 199. So the next number would be 200. Now what has happened? This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Here it is ones place, tens place. Here it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Children, when we have the biggest two digits in two places, then the next number which comes is the number which has one more digit. This is a two-digit number. Okay, this is a two-digit number. This is the largest two-digit number. So this is the three-digit number, and there was no digit here. Before 9, there was no digit. So in the next digit, we got 100. So here we have at hundreds place, we have 1. At hundreds place, we have 1. There are the biggest digits are 9, which are there at ones place as well as tens place. So the next number which we will get will be having next digit at hundreds place. This is hundreds place, This is ones place and this is tens place. And we will have zeros at ones as well as tens place. So 199, after 199 we get 200. Children, as the numbers increase, what are we doing? We are adding 1 to the previous number to get the next number. For example, if you want to find the next number of 199, we have learnt addition in class 2. We will add 1 to 199. So we will get the next number, the successor. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 carry over. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the successor of 199 is 200. See, this is how we got the next number. So now you have learned after 99, the next number is 100. Okay. After 199, the next number you have learned here, it is 200. Okay. Now, after 299, what will be the next number? Think. Come on. See, after 99, the next number was 100. After 199, the next number was 200. After 299, the next number will be 300. At hundreds place, 2 has become 3, and at ones and tens place, we have 2 zeros. Similarly, after 399, we will get 400. After 499, we will get 500. After 599, we will get 600. After 699, we will get 700. After 799, we will get 800. After 899, we will get 900. After 999. See children, now what should we get? Look at this 99. After 99, 99 is the biggest 2-digit number. After 99, after the biggest 2-digit number, we got the 3-digit number. Now 999 is the biggest 3-digit number. After this, since it is the biggest 3-digit number, after this 4-digit numbers should start. So we will get 1000. So this was about numbers. I hope children you would have understood it. But real practice is required. So I suggest every day you write 100 numbers. Start from first day, you start from 101 and write till 200. Then when you become very proficient in it, the next day you start from 201 and write till 300. The next day you will write from 301, write till 400. And so on, you have to keep on doing till the time you write till 1000. You will start from 901 and go till 1000. Please practice this. It's very, very important because only by writing numbers and speaking them simultaneously, you have to write and speak the numbers. You will understand all these numbers very well. That's all for today, children. I really hope before you watch the next video, you would have practiced your numbers nicely. Thank you and have a nice day.